EarthDance Organic Farm School in Ferguson, Missouri. I'm Molly Rockeman, founding director of EarthDance.
And I'm Michael Kilpatrick, who is with In the Field Consultants.
And what we're doing is recording a whole series of web videos that are how-to harvest videos. EarthDance offers a farm and garden apprenticeship program for beginning growers who are wanting to learn small-scale organic agriculture from seed to market.
Yeah, and I'm working with them is one of the things we see across the nation with the farms we work with is unsafe, inefficient, and unfood safe harvest practices. So we wanted to create a brief series of videos that kind of show you the best ways to do that for different scales and different types of harvests.
So you can be looking forward to these how-to harvest tutorial videos coming out this winter on both the In the Field Consultants and EarthDance YouTube channels.